Morning, friends. My name is Anaya, and my topic is importance of English language. As we know that English is not a Indian language. English is not most spoken by Indian peoples, but America and United Kingdom are the countries where English is most spoken. And if we went to abroad, so we want to know English, otherwise we are not able to communicate with others. And it is also the second most common language in the world. And if we are and in the schools, teacher also ask questions in English. And if we are working in a big company or an international company, so we also need to speak English there. And in the last, I want to say that every people should know English. Thank you.
Like you forgot that we should learn the English, but do you know the process of the how to learn the English now? How to learn English?
So that is very easy.
What is the procedure? If someone asks you a question like that, what is the process of how can you learn the language? So how can we learn
First,
the English?
for,
Let answer now.
first we learn some easy things. Then we learn grammar, and then we learn in a passive voice. Then so a narration, and then.
Yeah, that's it.
Good morning, one and all who is present here. I am Ranveer Singh Bhatia to going on the topic importance of family. Family is the thing which we can't buy with money. Family is the thing which God gave us. There is mainly two types of family: joint family and a nuclear family. In a joint family, there is about 9 to 10 members, and we in which we can celebrate all the festival which with together, and in that we can in our home there is no one, so we can study with our uncle and aunt, and after that there are disadvantages of family. In that we take that in a joint family we can't get space in which we can't get the space in which we can live with together. And in a nuclear family there is only 3 to 4 members in which we can easily live, and there is a maximum 4 to 5 members in a nuclear family. In a beginning, I said that the family is the thing which we can't buy with money. In a family there is, in a joint family there is a maximum 9 to 10 members, and the advantages of the joint family is that we can celebrate all the festival with together. In our home there is no one in a nuclear family, so we can
Yes, I want to ask a question to you now here. Do you like joint family or nuclear family?
Sir, nuclear family.
Why do you like the nuclear family? You don't know about the importance of the joint family board?
Sir, I know that.
So why do you like the only nuclear family here?
Sir, because I am living in that.
Because you live in the nuclear family, that's why you like that.
Yes,
But
sir.
what about the joint family? About their support financially, like emotionally they support us. What about that?
Sir, in that place they are good. In our place we are good.
Guru sir. Life is a art of drawing without erasers. So be a good artist of your life. Hello friends and sir. Today I am here to speak about a beautiful topic: unemployment. Unemployment is that a worker who deserves the job but they don't have a job. We can see that in corona that there are so many members that who lost their jobs, so then they become unemployment. So for it the government also do work for them but the unemployment that the unemployment is that the person who deserve that a job but they don't have a job, and the government only give the money and give the food, and that's it. They don't want that, they want a job and they want to earn money by their hard work, and the government cannot do that. And there is so many members that if we go to any college or any job for job, so that they say to they become to a caste that you are a general or that etc. So for that we so that government should work on that. There are that we can say that in college also, that when we go to a for admission, so that the colleges say to that you are not from that caste, so it should not be right. And in that in okay but that in employment that in that from my side, that employed should not be in our India, that in nowadays that approximately 60 to 70% are in employment, so it should not be. Government should work on them, hard work. That's it from my side. If you judge any mistake, so sorry for that.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Ishika Pal, and today I am here to speak on value of teachers. In our life, teacher is very important for us. In our every decision, if we make any decision, so they tell us what is right, what is wrong. Without teacher, we cannot do anything in our life. They tell us the route of success. They tell us how we can reach to our success. They tell us that how can we prepare for any exam and anything. And they also if we have any doubt in that chapter and nobody cleared that, so we ask our teacher so that they can clear us. And you all know that importance of teacher is very important in our life. And every children makes wrong decisions, so teacher make him right. So that's all about the importance of teacher. Thank you. My name is Andrew. Today I am here to tell on a topic on our incredible India. You know, India is one of the most developing country. Because on India everyone have ruled before when in the ancient time the kings and queens are rule on the India. Then after that the Mughals attacked on India, and then Mughals also ruled on India. After that, Britishers from the foreign countries come to India, and they also destroyed India and take the treasure of India. But then also, after the 76 year of the freedom, we have become the second largest growing economy of the world. Our India is developing because in India there are the many causes, because first of all there is a poverty. In India there is a more poverty because of the unemployment, and because the people are not that much literate and they are not educating. Just stupid. And the people, and you know that India is one of the country where the all type of the spices are grown, and in India we can get every type of the season. And in India we can got every type of region. Like when we go in the northern side, so we can get the ice, and that when we go in the eastern side, so we can get the summer or the hotness more. When we go in the south side, so we can get the coastal area there. And when we go in the west side, so we can get the forest there. And in India they are the most in India sir हाँ सर थैंक यू बस going to speak on the mobile. So mobile is very important for us, and it is developing technology. We should use the mobile in the limit. And the mobile has so many facilities, and mobile has so many types.